Hey everyone, this is Qodesense Academy. In this video, I will walk you through the basic tools in Figma that you need before we start designing our first website. Whether you're new to Figma or just want a quick refresher, this is the perfect place to start. So, let's get into it. So once you open Figma, whether through the browser or the desktop application, you will see the main workspace, which looks like this. This is where you can see all of your design files. Now, in order to create a new design file, we can do this by click the design button on the top, which is right here. We need to click this in order to create a new design file. So I'm going to click this. Here you go. So we have here the new design file. Now, as you can see on the left, this is the layers panel, and this is where you can see every element in your design. Now to the right here, there is the properties panel where you can adjust size, color, spacing, and layout options. Now to the bottom here, this is the toolbar. This is where you will find all your main tools like the shapes, text, frames, and many more. Okay, now that we have a blank canvas, let's take a quick look at the toolbar. This is where you will find all the main tools you will use for designing the user interface or UI for the website or mobile application. So first, we have the move tool. This is probably the one you will use the most. It lets you select, move, and resize anything on your canvas. The shortcut key for move tool will be V. Next is the frame tool. This is super important. Frames are like containers for your design. They can be a whole page, a section, or even a button. So all you need to do is to click it or click the frame icon here, or simply press the F key for the shortcut and drag to create a frame, which is like what I'm doing right now. So there you go, I create the new frame by dragging it and create the new frame. For websites, I usually set it to 1440 pixels wide for the desktop layouts. So I can change this the width size to 1440. There we go, and the height will be 1024. There we go. So this is the standard desktop screen size. Now we have the shape tools. There are rectangles, circles, and other shapes. So if you want to add a shape to your design, you can just choose any shapes that you want. There are lines, arrows, circles or ellipse, polygons or triangles, etc. So you can add it here by dragging it like similar to what I did to the frame. So this is how you add this shape to your design. There you go. I have my rectangle here in my design. Now for the shortcut key, for example, rectangle will be R, and then the circle will be 0, and the other one like the line will be L key, and then the arrow will be shift plus L key. Now for the text tool, you can just press T key or and click anywhere to add the text in your design. So you can click the text icon here, and then I can drag it to add the new text. Now I can type any text that I want to add. For example, I will say this is a web. There you go. Now here I can also modify the text style in the right panel. Right in the typography, I can change the font type, and then the font size, the font weight, the letter spacing, the alignment, etc. So for example, I want to change the font size to 32, and then the font weight to bold, and then let's make it this one to center. There you go. So that's how you modify the text style for your design here. Now, if you want to make a custom shapes or icons, there's the pen tool here, and the shortcut key will be P. That's how you press the pen tool. So you can either click the icon here or press the letter P key. So there you go. Now I can now create my own custom shapes or icons. For example, if I'm dragging it like this and then like this, I'm going to make a triangle with the pen tool. There you go. And now as you can see, there's a border for the custom shape that I made, or you can also add the field color for this custom shape. Example, I want to color it blue. There you go. That's how you create the custom shape with the pen tool. Now for the hand tool, the shortcut will be H key. It lets you move around the canvas without selecting anything. It's really useful when your design is big. Now for the comment tool here, you can leave notes for a feedback if you're working with your team, like the developers or other designers. Finally, the zoom tool helps you focus on details or see the full page. You can also just scroll with your mouse while holding the Control or Command in Mac OS. So that's it. You don't need to use every tool right away. You can just focus on the move, frame, shape, and the text tools for now. And the rest you will pick up as we design our first website together. So that's it for now. Now that we know all of the tools that we need, let's move on and start building our very first modern landing page in Figma, which we will do it in the next video. So I hope you understand and enjoy the tutorial. See you on the next video.